Oh, what
What was that, Sophie?
The birdie noise. Granny. Can you see him? He's camouflaging with the bananas and the monkey. Can you see him?
You know what time is it, Sophie?
It's 1 o'clock.
No, it's almost 2, I think.
What?
Is it? Or it's 1 o'clock?
I think it's 1 o'clock.
In the morning, Sophie. And you play with the budgie.
Yeah.
Greenie and Fluffy are going away tomorrow, Sophie.
No, they're not.
Yes, I'm gonna sell them, Sophie.
I'm gonna hide them in my house. I'm gonna leave early, Sophie. Say goodbye.
Because Dad don't clean the cage.
I knew Mum was lying when they were dead.
Dad don't clean the cage. So they're going away.
I clean it once a week. It's fine.
Well, it has to be cleaned like every 2 days. Because they make mess and they make lots of hair mess because summer is coming and they're losing the winter hair.
See the budgie, Sophie? Can you see the birdies? They're alive. They're living. Oh! Are you scared? No, don't be scared. You are a bit scared, aren't you? Oh, look at... Oh.
Greenie, smile. It's a video. What about you, Fluffy? Smile. Don't stop. I didn't tell you to.
Jump on the camera. You don't belong there.
Stay scared of Sophie.
Don't be scared because she make noise. Oh, poo. More poo.
Oh. Look at Sophia. Or maybe she gets scared of it. Oh, God, Sophie.
Sophie's not scared. She's scared of nothing.
Who was that?
She's too young to be.
Who was Fluffy that?
She's too scared to be. She's too young to be scared.
Greenie, can you do that too?
No,
Huh?
Greenie too small.
Can you do that what Fluffy did, Greenie? It entertains Sophia.
Yeah, of course it does. Whee!
Okay na, Sophie. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sophie.
What you bottle?